So here we are outside the home. This is a little bit view of the neighborhood. Like I said, there's new construction still going on. Here is the front of our home. 3-car garage. We'll come on up through the front door here. Come on into the front door. Enter into the foyer. You got the dining room over here to the left. Large living room. Another separate little eat-in kitchen and kitchen area with the bar top. Nice wide open floor plan. Come over here to a large pantry. As you can see, it has a fireplace. And come out here to the deck. It does have a 2-tiered deck, one in the basement as well as up here on top. Backs up to pretty green space, little creek bed. Come back in. Steps to go down. You have the master here. Nice large master. And you have the bathroom. Double sinks. With a jacuzzi tub. Toilet. And then a walk-in shower. All finished out nicely. And a very large walk-in closet. It goes around on this back side as well. Come back around to the second bedroom. Another nice sized bedroom here. Good closet space. We've got another bath here upstairs. Nice tile floors. Go downstairs here. To a second large living room. Which does exit out to the backyard as well. As you can see, there's the upper deck. Come back into another large bedroom. All the rooms have good closet space. Got the third bathroom down here. Another bedroom. And another bedroom that they're using as their workout room with another large walk-in closet. And then last but not least, we have a very, very large storage room here. Lots of storage space still. Could be finished off to another room, whichever you like, but it is large in storage at this time. Thanks for taking the tour of my listing, guys. If you'd like more information or any other information on the neighborhood, please feel free to give me a call or text me at 816-200-4297. See you next time.